Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Programming. So I'm starting tutorial for Selenium WebDriver with Java. So for that setup and some installation is required. पहले तो आपको Eclipse ID लगेगा, उसके बाद Selenium WebDriver जो हमें जिसके ऊपर हमें प्रोग्राम एग्जीक्यूट करने हैं, और तीसरा है Java 1.8. like I am using the Java 1.8 and we have to set some environment variable to run the application. So let's do one by one. I'll give the link description. As per requirement आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. तो मेरा विंडोज है, so I have already downloaded Windows. And the second step, we have to double click on Eclipse installer, and in that we have to run Java program. So we have to install the Eclipse ID for Java developer. So I have already installed. So you can install by clicking like install button, that will get installed on your PC. Selenium WebDriver. I'm opening the link. तो यहाँ से आपको जावा की जो जार्स है, लाइक जो रिक्वायरमेंट है जावा के लाइब्रेरीज, सो आपको यहाँ से डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा, यहाँ से. सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी डाउनलोडेड, सो प्लीज डाउनलोड इट. Third step is Java development kit. Click on the link. You will get download page of JDK, and here the Java 8. I have already installed 1.8 as per your requirement. Like you have 32-bit operating system, then download 86 installer, and if you have 64-bit operating system, then 64-bit JDK. And when you click on the link, you have to, like, it will go to Oracle sign-in page. If you don't have any account, so create with your Gmail account, and you have to fill some data for that. Create account and then login. You will get the exe file, then install it. And the third step is you have to download the 1.8 Java development kit. So on that we can execute our programs and the application. Fourth step is environment variable. Like we can by clicking the windows and type environment. So edit, click on environment variable. In that we have to give the path of the Java. So my 64-bit I have already installed. So you have to give path here, like until the bin. Copy the path, and in the path variable we have to add entry for that, then OK. And here system variable we have to like Java in the capital, Java underscore home, and give the path excluding the bin. So I have already added this path variable for Java. So in your case, please add and click on OK. OK. So we have completed the fourth step. In this video, we have covered the setup and installation. In the next video, I'll cover the like how to run the Selenium WebDriver with Java on the Chrome driver. So See you in the next video.